Okay, by using a pair of channel locks and a wrench, I was able to get that off, that nut, that bolt. And this piece here pulls right out. You see a notch right there, because there's a notch on the shaft that has to go into right in there. I'm gonna get this cleaned up. I'll be putting the bolt back in so it doesn't get lost with the washer. I should be able to remove this whole unit now. Oh, the washer's gotta come off. This has to come off for now. Okay. Now I'll be placing this back in. Okay, let me get it on there. With this, I loosened this, and then I tightened it back up, and I was able to get that chain off by tilting this like that and pulling it off. Okay, so I noticed a lot of oil here, and I had an issue with it leaking down in this area here. So I'm thinking there might be a, see that right there? I'm thinking there might be a gasket problem. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to take this part off. I'm going to get back at you. Okay, my chain fell down in. I did have a zip tie on it. I'm going to remove this big long bolt here, because that goes on the head right here under the CDI. This big long bolt. Now I should be able to lift this. You can see where the gasket is right here. Kind of get that loose. Alright, that's kind of loose. I'm probably going to have to take this bolt out that goes to that chain rail. The chain rail on the right side. Now let's try that again. Just go all the way around, get it up. Alright, I'm going to try to get it off. There's my chain down in there. Should be able to reach down and pull that tie and get that chain out. But I got the top off. It's kind of burnt there, like there was oil sitting on there, and it burnt up. Let's see here. Got some movement. See that? See that move? I think it's normal to have a little bit of movement, but that looks definitely like it needs some new rings. So yeah. I'm going to pull this other top off. You can see the gasket here, how much oil is on this side. Like the gasket was feeling. It could be the angle of the motor. Okay, I'll show you the other side real quick. Dump that little bit of oil out. Okay. So what I'm thinking is the oil was coming through one of these holes that the gasket kind of goes around, I guess, and it no longer was functioning. See a space right in here where it looks like it was busted. But I'm going to clean the rest of this off. Look at the top, how burnt it is by the valves. Oh boy. Clean some of this oil off here. Well, it's 84 years old. I don't know if it's been modified, or I have no idea if it's been bored out. Okay, just kind of some buildup on the valves. I really don't feel like seating and cleaning them up, but let's see what happens here. Okay, so here's how the gasket goes on and off. You have these sliders in the front kind of thing, and the front just goes on like that. And that is facing the pull start with these. Just trying to find out why I was blowing smoke. Obviously oil was getting in here. Somewhere it failed. Somewhere this gasket failed. Yeah, I just don't understand why there's so much oil in this area. You know what I'm saying? Pulled the thing off.